an international adventure? Well, you're going to need a passport. And in this video, we'll walk you through the steps on how to obtain your 2024 passport.
Well, first thing you need to do is fill out a DS-11 form, which is the application for a U.S. passport. You can find this form online on the official website of the U.S. Department of State. We provided all the links that you'll need down below in the video description.
Once you've completed the form, gather all the supporting documents. This typically includes proof of citizenship, such as a birth certificate or naturalization certificate, as well as government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license.
Hey, and don't forget, most important, that you have to bring a passport photo which meets the Department of State's requirements. You can usually get these at any pharmacy, like a Walgreens, CVS.
Now it's time to submit your application. You can do this by scheduling an appointment at any passport acceptance facility. Make sure and look this up before you go, because not all post offices and libraries or a clerk of court office do passports.
During your appointment, you'll need to pay the applicable fees. These can vary depending upon whether you're applying for a new passport, renewing an existing one, or if you have to expedite your processing.
Once the application is submitted, all that's left to do is wait. And sometimes it takes a while. Processing times can vary, but you can check the status of your application online at the Department of State's website. And oh, by the way, all these links, like he said, are down below. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to holding your very own U.S. passport, ready to embark on life's adventures.
Now you're ready for a vacation. By the way, we are travel consultants with 30 plus years of traveling out of the U.S., through the U.S., including Europe. And we would love to help you with your next dream vacation getaway.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. And watch this next video about renewing your passport.